Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a portrait using watercolors. So first, this is the sketch which I have made and see how it is done. So when you do the portrait, the initial outlining has been done. Now the first finishing portion I am showing, basically you will get an idea how to use the watercolors in this. This is the sketch which will be painted. Now first, blue will be applied as the base color for the hair and the body part. Now why blue is being applied? Because the portrait of the girl is of a dark complexion. Now since she has a dark complexion, to merge the brown, blue will be applied. The hair is colored blue and the folds of the hair are shown according to the shape. The skin first tone of blue is applied. Over this blue, then the second tone will be applied, which will merge with the blue to give the mixture of blue and the brown. Whenever we use watercolors, we use lighter shades first. So here the blue is being applied. This blue is being used with more of water and less of the color. The blue is the Persian blue and mixed with a little bit of cobalt. Now this is the base tone of the skin, over which the next tone will be applied. Those who are joining the channel and watching this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel for more updates on videos related to art. There are a lot of videos related to art, craft, sculpture, watercolor, crayons, painting, portrait. A lot of art forms are there. So subscribe so that you are able to get access to all the videos, and press the notification so that you are reminded of any new video being posted. The initial coloring of the eyes is also done with blue. The whole face will be colored with blue. After that, the next shade will be applied. Now giving detail to the eyes. The darker areas of the eye are shaded with brown and black. The areas of the face which are dark, they are the areas where the shadow falls. So under the nose area, the nostril area will be made slightly darker, then the eyes, then the bone, the bone of the nose, so that area will be made slightly darker. So mixture of brown and black is being used. The first tone of brown is being applied. Here the brown is mixed with a little bit of yellow ochre, and again use more water and less of the color. To give the shape of the cheek, the brown is mixed with yellow ochre and the lighter tone is applied. To give shape round, the darker portion is shown at the lower portion and the lighter one is shown at the top. The neck is below the face, so the neck will be made slightly darker compared to the face so that it gets prominent and it is lifted up. The face is lifted. Colors are selected according to the texture of the skin. So this girl has a darker skin, therefore first blue was used, which will have the base, and then over that brown and yellow ochre are applied, so it will blend and give a shine to the skin. If you like the video, then please give a like to it and subscribe the channel, and I'll wait for your comments in the comment box. If you have any query related to the watercolors, then give your feedback and give your comments, and then I will certainly try to resolve your queries. This area of the neck has the collarbone, so the collarbone was painted dark. Now moving towards the lips, the lip area and the cheek area will be highlighted according to the light. So the light is falling from the top, therefore the lower area of the cheek have been made darker. Now giving detail to the eyes. The eyes also, we normally everyone tries to use black, but here you will see that brown is being used. Black whenever is used, it is always mixed with some other color. We don't use black directly. I won't make the video long. The base color application on the face is more important. After that, when we apply the darker shades, then the coloring becomes easy. So in another video I'll describe the second, third and the fourth stages of making the portrait. This video I will not exceed, just see the finishing, and thank you for watching. See you in the next my video.